Welcome back everyone. After years and years of research into this specific field, I think I have finally found the biggest complaint or the most common complaint for pretty much every single iPhone user out there. Now, the main reason I was able to even find this, first of all, I run this YouTube channel, whatever, right? But I literally just went on Apple's forums on their own forum website, and I pretty much just kind of, read and just kind of tallied the most common specific issues that I found within, the forum. And it seems to me the most complained about thing for iPhones, it's not the screen, it's not the speed, it's not the performance, it's actually the battery, specifically with the battery health. So as most of you know, within your settings app, you can pretty much open up your settings app from your iPhone, and you can actually locate your specific battery health by going into, your settings, your battery settings, clicking on battery health, and you can pretty much see, your maximum capacity right there. And mine, I can tell you, my battery capacity on my brand new iPhone 12 Pro is 90%, which is crazy in and of itself. But it seems to me that a lot of other people are complaining about it as well. To give you some perspective, my iPhone 11 Pro that I used right before this 12 Pro for over a year, this phone is not even a year old yet. I use that phone all the time. I loved it a lot. That specific device is still at 99%, and it's funny because I complained about this recently and I looked on their forums, and it seems to me that a lot of people are complaining about it as well. And this has to be probably the biggest complaint I've seen from any iPhone users out there. I've also seen this complaint a lot on the, subreddit for Apple, iPhone, iOS as well. So another big thing to keep in mind, and I can definitely tell you if you're an iPhone user, you probably don't even notice this, but your battery health may have actually gone down quite a bit. So I would probably recommend you to go inside of your battery settings as well, click on battery health, and notice how much your battery health is still there. You can still be in a situation where if for some reason your iPhone is a really old iPhone, like an iPhone 6S or an iPhone 6 or something, yeah, you're probably not going to have that big of battery health. But if you have like an iPhone 10s or 10R or an iPhone 11 and you're, around 80%, below 80%, that's a pretty big fall off, and I'd probably recommend you to get your battery replaced. But from all of my research, from my, 10 minutes of going through Apple forums and looking at everything, and even from my comment section, to be honest, the biggest complaint seems to be about battery health. And that makes the most sense to me, especially with these iPhone 12s. And I think it has a lot to do with the MagSafe charger, if I'm being honest. It seems like that has caused a lot of issues for batteries, and I'm not too sure why this is the case, but it really is super crazy. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.